Hello and good day. My name is Rohagir and I would like to talk about penguins, which are based on my species status report. Penguins in general are flightless birds that sometimes are confused with a fish because they can swim but they have a beak and head of a bird. They are renowned as a special bird which can adapt to the life at sea. Penguins spend half of their life on the land and half in the water. Penguins are widely distributed in the southern hemisphere, especially in the Antarctica, but they are also found in the temperate zone. There are 17 species of penguins identified. Of the 17 species, only 2 are exclusively Antarctic residents, 5 belong to the subantarctic regions, 6 to southern temperate regions, and 4 to the subtropics. To be specific, one of the penguin species to be found in the Tasman Sea is the fairy penguins or little blue penguins. The scientific name of the fairy penguins is Diptera minor. They are the smallest penguin species and are exclusively found in southern Australia and New Zealand. Their populations are not fairly known. Nonetheless, 110,000 to 190,000 breeding pairs of fairy penguins are estimated to be found in Tasmania, which is less than 5% is distributed on the mainland of Tasmania. They are more abundant on the offshore islands. Fairy penguins generally inhabit water with a temperature between 5 to 30 degrees Celsius. Fairy penguins are well adapted to the life at sea. They have a streamlined body shape which is propelled by the flippers. They use the flippers to swim underwater that are similar on how birds use their wings to fly in the air. Fairy penguins also have webbed feet which is excellent to aid them maneuvering on the surface and claws for digging and climbing rocks while on the shore. Adult fairy penguins can reach height approximately 40 centimeters and their weight is about 1 kilogram. They have a dark blue plumage on the upper parts of the body and white on the underside. This can form a visual deception to avoid from the predator, especially in the water. Seals that are swimming in the water will be deceived through reflection of the surface water. Fairy penguins feed relatively in shallow waters, mainly on small schooling fish, squid and krill. They feed on the prey with their rapid jabs of the beak, and prey is swallowed whole. Fairy penguins need to consume approximately 25% of their body weight daily to maintain condition, and more if the feeding of the chicks and molting. Fairy penguins habitually nest in burrows. Colonies of fairy penguins are normally found in the area where there are sand dunes, rocks, sea caves, and on headlands. They are found less dense in colony as compared to the Antarctic penguin species. The distance between the colony and the burrows is usually not less than 2 meters, and the burrows are usually about 60 to 80 centimeters tunnel, ending with a nest that may be extended. Fairy penguins return from the sea to their colonies after dark. They assemble in groups and calling to each other beyond the surf. The reason why they normally come ashore in groups is for safety reasons, because there will be more birds that can watch for predators. There are many hunches of why the penguins are coming to the shore after dark. Possibly they want to avoid the warmness during daytime on the shore. Adult fairy penguins can live for a considerable time. On average, their lifespan is around 6 years. The oldest age that has been recorded is 21 years. Not many penguins can survive until to die of an old age. Most of them disappear in the interval between breeding seasons and may be due to the low food stocks. Mortality of fairy penguins is caused by various factors such as predatory disease and starvation. The main threats to the fairy penguins population are predation by dogs, cats, foxes, habitat degradation, and disturbance at the nest sites. Human occupancy, housing development, and direct harassment continue to threaten the population. For example, residential development around Manly foreshore has greatly reduced the native vegetation present, which is the nest area for fairy penguins. Fire penguins attract large number of tourists which contribute to the local economies. However, disturbance by the tourists may affect breeding success. Marine debris and fishing activities are widely impacting the fire penguins. Entanglement to the fishing gears and ingestion of toxic debris may cause serious problems. In conclusion, increased knowledge about wildlife is crucial to enable these species to be sustained in the future.